Hello, this is Ariful Alam from Gazipur, Bangladesh. I am applying for the Bachelor in ERP at Central University of Applied Sciences. I completed secondary and higher secondary degrees in my home countries. Traveling is my hobby and I have visited many historical and natural beautiful places in my home and abroad. I spent my leisure time by watching movies and reading magazines. Currently, I have started a transport business named Borak Transport from 2030. It is a local transport company where our covered brand transport different industrial products all around Bangladesh. I want to expand my company and want to build its major transport company in my country. By doing business in this platform, I have found the importance of using technology, maintaining manpower, business resource to become a successful transport businessman. From this thinking, I have decided to bachelor in business management, enterprise resource planning. I have also a strong determination to do an MBA after completed this BBA degree. On the other hand, Finland is a land of entrepreneurship and its education has worldwide fame for its practical implication. This Nordic country is one of the peaceful and secure places in the globe. Finnish universities welcome multiculturalism and international students. This attract me to apply in Finland. Central University is one of the prominent universities in Finland and has worldwide reputation for its quality education and internationalization. Beautiful study environment, qualified faculties, resourceful libraries, and a diverse course curriculum have encouraged me to choose Centria for doing this program. ERP is the leading SAP software solution that means to integrate management of core business process in real time. This program delivers the essential knowledge to make expertise in business management. In the modern time, most of business companies use SAP model for their integrated business mechanism. It is a professional oriented program for the next business leader and corporate employees. Logistic, accounting, marketing are the major subjects where ERP is in main focus. It is also helps the student to develop social communication and language skill. Centria has a strong collaboration with biggest company in Finland and its partner institution set up SAP Next Generation Lab that gives their practical experience for the student. In addition, thesis and project work offered by partner institutions are the major source of professional and writing skill development. I have learned effective business communication, marketing policy making, and office management for developing my business knowledge. I am expert in MS Office and professional Excel, visual presentation, and social media using. I hope this experience will help me to study in this program. Additionally, I am a hard worker, punctual, and visionary in nature and try to use my potentiality to resolve rising problems. However, I am comfortable with practical experience rather theoretical learning. I have few problems in self-study where I always feel better to do group study. You can mark it as one of my weakness. I hope I will get opportunity to do group study and collective learnings in Centria campus to overcome this weakness. It will be a great opportunity to study at Centria University to achieve my academic excellence and career goals. I hope you will consider me as a potential student for ERP program for the next autumn session. Thank you so much for hearing me. Bye.